Yeah, we're up here again. Another update for you on the Mosquito. Before I do, shout outs to Model Pro 72 Lenny. Basic modelling, Model Pro 72 Lenny. Basic modelling Rob. Primitive modelling Chris. Aaron Newlands. Shane. Aaron Newlands. Atomic Dog 32 Brian. Shane Trains. Gav 99. Gav 909. Gav 909. Gav 909. Kalido 1, Lewis, Making Was Again, Gary, That's Guy, Inspire Techno, Arroyo 95, Trainboy 220, Mr. Great Mosquito, Golden Eagle, Callum Wildring, RSDV, making hobby modeler, UK scale modeler, Mr. Great Models. Dude, looking forward to your update. Obviously you're doing it, obviously you're doing your update today, so I'll see that. When I'll probably see that tonight when I've done all what I can on the old Mozzie. I've done what I can for today on the old Mozzie. Yeah, Paul Martian, Engine Dioxide, Dan, Max, Ellie, Media, Kelsey, Kira, Chloe, Mum, Hayley, Billy, Greg, Lenny, Greg, Lynn, Lenny, Luke, Greg, Lynn, Lenny, Greg, Lynn, Lenny, Greg, Lynn, Lenny, Greg, Lynn, oh, you gonna go get that? Alright. Yeah, anyway, back to Dan, Max, Ellie, Kelsey, Chloe. Dan, Max, Ellie, Amelia, Kelsey, Kira, Chloe, Mum, Hayley, Billy, Lynn, Lenny, Andrew, Ashley, Andrew, Gavin, George, Tom, John, Joe, Sam, Caroline, Luke, Lisa and Charlotte. See you speak to you either I'll speak to you later or tomorrow, probably tomorrow at this rate. Might probably be tomorrow. Obviously you've got work and everything. Anyway, update for you is that, as you can see, I've added the second pair of struts to the landing gear itself. To the landing gear. To the landing gear itself. To the landing gear itself. To the landing gear itself. So yeah, that's the landing gear. I'm just waiting for the old parts for some more of the bracing wires that go in, there and there, and then obviously there's a couple of wires that go in there, that go on the ends here. Once they're on, then of course I've got the actual model complete, or not, well, this part of the model complete, and then of course then it's the bulkhead. Of course then it's the fuel tank, then it's the oil sump tank, and once that's done, it's the landing gear into the onto the bulkhead, the fire extinguisher. Then I've got to fit the bulkhead itself, the landing gear bulkhead itself, and the other bulkhead that complete the rear section of the engine is just basically that's just a big space. But anyway, there's a bulkhead that goes there, and of course once those two bulkheads are in, and the actual part of the braced and part, and one of the diagonal engine diagonal parts for this is in, and then of course the engine will then be going in. And of course the engine will then be going in, which I'm looking forward to be honest. Right, I'm gonna go crack on with this. Catch you later.